Shiba Inu investors, brace yourselves. We're talking golden cross signals, skyrocketing Shibarium activity, and the big question on everyone's mind: can Shiba Inu push through the latest turbulence? Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer view of what's next for SHIB and why this month could be the pivot point we've all been waiting for. Welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, your top source for the latest insights, updates, and deep dives into the crypto world. If you're looking to stay on top of market trends and uncover opportunities, this channel is the place to be. Today, we're dissecting the roller coaster journey of Shiba Inu as it tackles some rough waters but still holds a potential golden cross signal. With Tether's recent turmoil impacting the market and Shibarium activity spiking, Shiba Inu is navigating a tricky landscape, but could it be gearing up for a breakthrough? I'll walk you through every development, from the Wall Street Journal report about Tether's investigation to the historical performance of Shiba Inu, and break down what it could mean for the weeks ahead. So grab a seat, because we're diving right in. Imagine you're holding onto a crypto asset, and one signal could mean the difference between a rally and a dip. Is Shiba Inu's golden cross that signal? What does a pattern like this even mean for your portfolio? I'll answer these questions and more, so keep watching to get the full picture, especially if you're deciding on your next move with SHIB. If this in-depth analysis is keeping you glued, make sure to give that like button a tap and subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update. Your support helps keep us bringing these critical updates, so hit subscribe and stay ahead of the crypto curve. Let's start by digging into the recent turbulence that's shaken up Shiba Inu and the broader crypto market. Over the weekend, crypto took a significant hit after reports suggested that the US government is potentially investigating Tether, the issuer of the stablecoin USDT, for alleged violations related to anti-money laundering regulations. Stablecoins like Tether are crucial players in the crypto ecosystem. They provide a reliable, USD-backed value and are often the go-to assets for crypto trading pairs. Although Tether's CEO Paolo Ardino quickly responded to these allegations with a denial, the crypto market still felt the impact. Shiba Inu, in particular, took a hit, dropping from around $0.000174 to $0.00001646. While it may look like a slight shift, in crypto, every decimal point counts, especially with assets like SHIB that operate on such small fractions. Despite the dip, Shiba Inu has since managed to bounce back above the $0.000165 level, a critical support mark that's kept investors engaged. Now, let's talk about the technical factor that's captured everyone's attention, the golden cross. For those who might not be familiar with this term, a golden cross is a significant technical signal in market analysis. It occurs when a short-term moving average, commonly the 50-day, crosses above a long-term moving average, like the 200-day. This is widely considered a bullish indicator because it suggests upward momentum. Historically, a golden cross indicates a potential price spike, as it shows a shift in sentiment toward the asset. But here's the big question: does Shiba Inu's recent volatility throw this golden cross out the window? The short answer is no. Despite the turbulence, Shiba Inu's chart still shows the possibility of a golden cross in the near term. Even after last weekend's dip, SHIB remains within the 50-day moving average, which keeps this bullish pattern intact. For investors, this means that while we've seen some temporary declines, the overall upward trend could still be in play if SHIB sustains its current support levels. Let's zoom out and look at Shiba Inu's historical performance, especially in November, which has been a challenging month for SHIB since its inception. November has proven to be a difficult time for Shiba Inu holders, as the asset has experienced significant double-digit losses in past years. For instance, in November 2021, SHIB saw a drop of 29.6%, followed by another sharp decline of 24.93% in November 2022. It was only last year, in 2023, that Shiba Inu managed a small 6.62% gain. The average November decline for SHIB has been around 15.9%, so if we're looking purely at historical data, this month could continue the trend of losses. However, past trends don't always dictate the future, and this November might bring some new surprises, especially given the technical and market-based factors we're seeing now. One of the most exciting aspects of Shiba Inu's ecosystem right now is Shibarium. Shibarium, the Layer 2 blockchain solution that's part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, has been experiencing a surge in activity, which is giving some investors renewed confidence in SHIB's potential. Just last week, Shibarium saw its active accounts jump by a staggering 1,557%, hitting 26,237 accounts on October 23. And not only did the number of active accounts spike, but transaction volume also surged. On October 26, Shibarium's transaction volume reached a peak of 4.76 million. Even after falling to about 700,000 transactions, this number remains well above what we've seen earlier this month and in previous months. So, what does this mean for SHIB investors? Well, increased network activity, especially on a Layer 2 solution like Shibarium, can translate to greater demand for SHIB and other tokens within the ecosystem. More users and transactions on Shibarium signal that the network is growing, and as it does, SHIB may see increased adoption and potentially higher demand. Now we're getting to the core of the issue: can Shiba Inu's rally continue in November? After all, as we've seen with the Golden Cross indicator, there's still potential for bullish movement. However, this possibility is now in direct competition with the challenges that come with November's historical trends and the fallout from Tether's investigation. In general, there are a few key indicators to watch. First, if Shiba Inu can maintain its position around or above the 50-day moving average, the Golden Cross is still in play, which could indicate a bullish run ahead. Second, keep an eye on Shibarium's activity levels. If transaction volume remains high and new accounts continue to grow, this could signal that investors' confidence in Shiba Inu is strengthening. Finally, broader market sentiment will play a role. If the investigation into Tether's practices leads to increased regulation in the crypto space, we may see more volatility in the weeks ahead. But remember, with every investment, including SHIB, it's important to balance technical indicators with broader market signals. It's often these macro factors that drive crypto markets, and Shiba Inu is no exception. Want to stay on top of every major shift in the crypto market? Make sure to subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update for all the latest insights, analysis, and news that could affect your investments. Don't miss out on critical updates and strategy tips. Hit subscribe and be part of our community. Thank you so much for tuning in to Zaki Crypto Update. I hope today's analysis gave you a deeper understanding of where Shiba Inu might be heading and what this Golden Cross could mean for its future. Your support truly helps us keep creating and sharing these insights with the crypto community. If you found value in today's video, be sure to hit that like button, and as always, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And before you go, check out some of my other videos for more in-depth analyses on trending topics and key strategies in crypto. See you next time, and here's to navigating the market together.